This is the all-new 2026 Polaris RZR XP S. If you're in the market for your next side-by-side and want one of the most capable ones yet, this has to be on your radar. More stance, more travel, a tougher driveline, and a ton of owner-inspired features that I know you're gonna love. Don't just take my word for it. 2 nearly stock RZR XP S's just finished King of the Hammer, which is one of the hardest competitions in the world. Whether it's wide open desert runs, trails, or rocks, this thing is stacked up. Let's start at the core of this, which is the RZR Pro S-Inspired Driveline that's 30% stronger. The XPS has lower gearing and geared reverse for maximum traction. That transmission is mated to a segment-dominating 114 horsepower engine. Want to talk about a huge difference in suspension travel? With 2.5-inch Walker Evans Velocity shocks that have 16 position adjustability, you get 25 inches of travel. That creates a confident and comfortable ride that can be customized to your preference. Compared to the Honda Tal 1000R, which you only get 18 inches of travel, that 7 inches makes a difference. You get 32-inch Pro Armor Trekker tires on 15-inch cast aluminum 5-lug wheels. And this thing looks so mean. On this one, you get these sick running lights, and on the Ultimate trim, you get Fang lights. Plus the 72-inch stance with a 90-inch wheelbase and 16 inches of ground clearance. You don't just ride good, you look good doing it. You get 3 drive modes tailored to match any terrain: standard, sport, and rock. Power steering, well, that's been upgraded too. It's lighter, faster, and has better trail feedback. These are all owner-inspired features. Riders asked for them, and Polaris delivered. On the Ultimate trim, you get a 7-inch ride command display, 1,000,000 miles of verified trail data that works without cell signal, Rockford Fosgate Stage 3 audio, 6 plug-and-play accessory ports, no hardwiring, and no other machine in this category offers that from the factory. And there you have it, the 2026 Polaris RZR XP S, built on the legacy of the XP family. But come see for yourself at Cycle Barn. We have different color options, and if you're cross-shopping between the Teryx 1000 and the Tal 1000R, you'll see for yourself as soon as you sit in one.